Our skin tells the truth. It mirrors everything happening inside the body. When it glows, it means your organs, your hormones, and your immune system are in harmony, but when it breaks out, dulls, or looks tired, that's your body sounding the alarm. The main trigger behind this? Inflammation. Every time you eat foods packed with sugars, refined carbs, or processed fats, you light a tiny fire inside your body. That inflammation shows up on your skin as acne, redness, or premature aging. But the good news, the reverse is also true. Before we go deeper, if you're serious about achieving healthy, glowing skin from the inside out, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. When you switch to low-inflammatory, whole foods, your skin starts to heal from within. Your glow returns, your texture smooths, and fine lines fade naturally. It's not a miracle. It's biochemistry. So what does that look like in real life? Fruits, veggies, healthy fats, lean proteins. The foods your body recognizes include olive oil, fish, walnuts, dark leafy greens, colorful fruits like berries and oranges. And here's the secret weapon. Vitamin A-rich foods like carrots and sweet potatoes, they feed your skin the raw materials it needs to repair and renew. And here's something most people miss. Your skin health begins in your gut. If your gut microbiome is off balance, your skin will show it. Fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut help reduce inflammation from the inside out. When your gut thrives, your skin glows. The glow you're chasing isn't in a cream, it's in your cells, and when your body's inflammation drops, your skin doesn't just look younger, it is younger.